Hello, and welcome to another episode of MSGH. I'm Mason. That's Shane. In today's segment, we'll be hitting the golf ball, the trick golf ball that I told you guys about in the earlier Shane's Worst Sports. So, I guess here we go. There's the golf ball right there, and I've never hit this before. They say that every time you hit it, you'll win a long drive contest with it. We'll find out if that's true. Okay. So, Shane, scoot way back, get behind me. Get behind me, like way behind me.
I'm behind you.
Here. Okay, now I'm aiming for that pole way down there, okay?
Which pole?
The one on the right.
Oh, I see it. Shouldn't I get over there?
Okay, ready?
See.
Oh yeah. Did you get that?
I don't know.
Now let's go over here and see what happens.
Probably.
Ooh. As you can see, the golf ball split in pieces.
Oh, cool! I see it! I want it!
And here's what came out. You got a picture of that, Shane?
Si, senor.
Awesome. Oh, ice cream! Chocolate.
Ice cream! Let's hit it with the golf club!
Oh, what is in this? But I hit it again!
Awesome! Can I hit it?
Hey, look, I split my tee.
Can I hit it? I want to hit it.
No.
Please?
No.
I want to hit it.
No.
I'm the dumb idiot.
Here's another piece of the golf ball.
I'm the dumb idiot that wants to hit it.
No, Shane, you're going to pick up the golf ball pieces.
Dang it.
So go pick them up.
Never.
Okay. I am going to hit it again and see what happens. That actually sucked. I thought that was going to go a lot farther than it did.
Where'd it go?
It went in the plant.
Oh, I don't pick it up yet.
What is this? Oh, it came out! Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And one more, just for good measure.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Sucked.
he got a hold of that one.
Hit it? Oh. It didn't go anywhere.
Oh, thanks for embarrassing me on national
YouTube.
internet. The ball flew off.
It went a total of 6 feet.
No, it didn't. Look, the ball is gone.
Ooh, the ball flew off.
Shane, take the ribbon.
Ribbon! Ribbon, ribbon, ribbon. I got the ribbon! Let's run with it. Whee! Woohoo! Whee! Run, run, run around! Run, run, run around! Run, run, run around! Run, run, run around! You got a ribbon!
Mental.
I can't get it!
Okay, Shane, hang on, stop.
No!
For my next segment, I will hit Shane in the head with the golf club. Shane. Okay, stay where you are. I got a little surprise for you. You're gonna actually see a star today, okay?
No!
No, I mean, you're gonna see a star. You wanna see a star? You've always wanted to.
No!
Nah, I'll just leave him there. Oh, I thought he'd get right back up, but he's not getting up. Ooh, snap. Oh, the snap, that's blood. That's not good. Peace from MSG8.